Japan's northernmost island of Hokkaido is currently grappling with one of the most intense winter weather events in recent history. A bomb cyclone originating from the Sea of Okhotsk has funneled frigid Siberian air across the island, dumping unprecedented amounts of powder snow and creating whiteout conditions that have effectively isolated several northern communities. The current weather pattern is driven by an extreme pressure gradient between a high-pressure system over the Eurasian continent and a deepening low-pressure system off the coast of Nemuro. This atmospheric setup has triggered a phenomenon known as the sea effect snow. As the dry, freezing air from Russia picks up moisture over the relatively warm Sea of Japan, it transforms into massive cumulonimbus clouds. When these clouds hit the mountainous terrain of Hokkaido, they release intense snowfall. In the last 24 hours, the city of Asahikawa and the Sorachi Subprefecture have recorded snow accumulations exceeding 110 centimeters, 43 inches, a level rarely seen in such a short window. As the primary gateway to Hokkaido, the airport has seen over 250 flight cancellations today. Despite a fleet of specialized snowplows known as the Chitose Triplets, visibility dropped below safety minimums. Travelers are urged to check the new Chitose Airport Flight Status before heading to the terminal. Train services, including the Airport Express linking Sapporo to the airport, have been suspended. The Hokkaido Shinkansen is operating at reduced speeds with significant delays. Real-time updates are available on the JR Hokkaido Official Site. The Dodo-Expressway and Sasson Expressway have been closed due to multiple vehicle pileups caused by black ice and zero visibility conditions. The Hokkaido Police have issued a directive discouraging all non-emergency travel. While heavy snow is usually welcomed by Hokkaido's world-famous ski resorts in Niseko, Rusutsu, and Furano, the current storm is too much of a good thing. Many resorts have closed their upper mountain lifts due to extreme wind gusts exceeding 120 kilometers per hour and high avalanche risks. The Japan Powder, attracts thousands of international skiers, but the safety of our guests is paramount, said a spokesperson for the Niseko United Resort. We are monitoring the snow slab stability closely as the temperature fluctuates. In Sapporo, the prefectural capital, the municipal government has deployed over 1,000 snow removal vehicles. However, the city is running out of snow dumping grounds. The narrow side streets of the city are now flanked by snow walls reaching 3 meters high, creating hazardous conditions for pedestrians and limiting emergency vehicle access. Power outages. In the Abashiri and Kushiro regions, heavy wet snow has caused power lines to snap, leaving approximately 15,000 households without heating. The Hokkaido Electric Power Company is working around the clock, but deep snowdrifts are preventing service trucks from reaching damaged pylons. The Hokkaido Disaster Prevention Center has issued a Level 4 alert for specific regions. Residents and tourists are advised to follow these critical safety measures. If you are in a car trapped by snow, ensure the exhaust pipe remains clear. Snow blockage can cause lethal fumes to enter the cabin. Never attempt to clear snow from a roof alone. Every year, several fatalities occur in Hokkaido due to roof fall burials. Always carry a shovel, blankets, and emergency rations in your vehicle. For more detailed safety tips, visit the Hokkaido Government Disaster Prevention Portal. Climatologists at Hokkaido University are investigating whether these extreme bursts, often referred to as snow bombs, are a byproduct of a warming Arctic. While the duration of winter is shortening, the intensity of individual storms appears to be increasing due to higher moisture content in the atmosphere. With the Sapporo Snow Festival approaching in February, the current abundance of snow ensures there will be plenty of material for the giant sculptures. However, organizers are concerned about the logistical challenges of transporting high-quality snow if the blizzards continue to disrupt the trucking network. Hokkaido remains in the grip of a formidable winter. While the island is famous for its ethereal winter beauty, the current situation serves as a stark reminder of the raw power of nature in the high latitudes. Authorities expect the storm to begin tapering off by Thursday evening, but a second cold front is already gathering strength over the Sea of Japan. Meanwhile, the city of Asahikawa, historically known as one of Japan's coldest urban centers, is currently facing a catastrophic winter event. A phenomenon known as a snow bomb, an explosive intensification of a low-pressure system, has collided with a frigid air mass from the Arctic Circle, plunging the city into a state of emergency. As of Tuesday, December 16, 2025, Asahikawa has recorded a staggering 135 centimeters, approximate 53 inches, of fresh snowfall within a 36-hour period, paralyzing the city's logistics and trapping thousands of residents in their homes. Meteorologists at the Japan Meteorological Agency explain that the severity of this storm is due to a unique topographical trap. As cold winds from the Sea of Japan are forced through the Ishikari Plain and squeezed by the surrounding Dezetsuzan mountain range, the moisture-laden air is funneled directly into the Asahikawa Basin. "We are seeing a perfect storm of atmospheric conditions," says a senior climatologist. The air temperature at 5,000 meters has dropped to minus 45 degrees Celsius, while the sea surface remains relatively warm. This extreme temperature gradient creates a conveyor belt of heavy, crystalline snow that does not stop. Asahikawa serves as a critical transit hub for northern Hokkaido, but the current blizzard has severed all major arteries. JR Hokkaido has officially suspended all services on the Hakodate Main Line and the Sekihoku Main Line. Massive snowdrifts, some reaching heights of 2 meters, have covered the tracks, rendering even the most powerful snow-clearing locomotives ineffective. Asahikawa Airport, famous for its 99% flight operation rate, even in winter, has finally succumbed to the elements. With visibility at 0, whiteout, and crosswinds exceeding 90 kilometers per hour, the runway has been closed indefinitely. Travelers are advised to check the Asahikawa Airport live status. The Hokkaido Expressway connecting Asahikawa to Sapporo is closed. Within the city, bus services have been cancelled, leaving many residents to rely on foot travel through waist-deep snow. The municipal government of Asahikawa has opened emergency shelters in community centers. However, the primary concern is the city's elderly population. In the Nagayama and Kagura districts, rescue workers are conducting door-to-door checks to ensure that residents have adequate heating. Tragically, local authorities have confirmed 3 fatalities since the storm began. 2 individuals were found buried under snow that fell from their own rooftops, while a third died of carbon monoxide poisoning after their car's exhaust pipe was blocked by a snowdrift while they were waiting for rescue. Asahikawa is a vital center for furniture manufacturing and agriculture. The blizzard has brought production to a standstill. Greenhouse farmers in the outskirts report that the weight of the snow has collapsed several structures, threatening the winter harvest of high-value crops. Supply chains for essential goods are also under strain. Convenience stores, konbini, have reported shortages of fresh bread and milk as delivery trucks remain stranded on the outskirts of the city. Logistics giants like Yamato Transport have issued warnings of significant delays for all shipments to and from northern Hokkaido. The mayor of Asahikawa has issued a stay-at-home order. The following safety protocols are in place. If you are using a kerosene heater or a car for warmth, ensure that ventilation pipes and exhaust systems are not blocked by accumulating snow to prevent CO poisoning. Avoid walking near the eaves of buildings. The snow slab buildup is currently unstable and can slide off with the force of several tons. Residents are strictly forbidden from clearing snow alone. The physical exertion in sub-zero temperatures has already led to several reports of cardiac distress. While the city suffers, the nearby Asahikawa and Kamui ski links are seeing an influx of extreme weather. While these resorts are world-renowned for silky powder, they are currently closed due to extreme avalanche risks. Park rangers at the Dazetsuzen National Park have warned backcountry skiers that the avalanche danger level is at an absolute maximum. The JMA predicts that the low-pressure system will begin to move towards the Pacific by late Thursday. However, a secondary cold front is expected to follow, which could bring temperatures in Asahikawa down to -25 degrees Celsius -13 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme cold will turn the current soft snow into concrete ice, making subsequent removal efforts significantly more difficult. Asahikawa is a city built for winter, but the 2025 snow bomb has tested the limits of its resilience. As the city remains shrouded in a veil of white, the focus remains on life-saving operations and restoring the basic utilities that keep this northern outpost alive.